Hello, everyone, and welcome to day one of the 2024 12 Days of Christmas. My name is Melanie, and over the next 12 days, I'll be sharing all sorts of fun inspiration to help you get ready for Christmas and your holiday season. Today's video is brought to you exclusively by Balsam Hill. They've been a longtime partner on my channel, and I'm excited to share how I'm decking the halls in the family room, incorporating some of my new favorites from Balsam Hill with some of my old favorites from the past. This year's family room theme is all about creating a cozy, nostalgic vibe that feels like a warm Christmas hug. As always, we are going to have so much fun, and of course, I'll be sprinkling in a few giveaways along the way. To all of my amazing subbies, thank you so much for a great year. I love the community that we've built here together on YouTube, and it's all because of you. The next 12 days is really all about you, so I hope that you lean in, have an amazing time, and enjoy the series. Now, let's take a look at some of my favorite elements this year that help me bring this warm and cozy vibe together. First off, let's talk about the tree. I went with the monochrome theme this year, sticking to different variations of red. It keeps the look cohesive, but it lets each ornament stand out. I found that the monochrome trees feel so elegant and classic, and as a little tip, use various textures to keep things interesting. So in this tree, you'll see shiny, matte, and even some frosted finishes to add depth. And for a personal touch, I've added the Merry Memories photo frame ornaments. Each one holds a different family photo from Christmases past, and it's a simple way to personalize the tree without disrupting the monochrome theme. Each picture really tells the story of our family's holiday moments together. Now, the mantle is one of my favorite areas to style each year, and here I'm sharing Balsam Hill's Old Town Village collection. Mine has been growing year over year, and this year I'm including the lit wooden Old Town City, the Old Town Village, and this new ski resort. I fell in love with these pieces instantly because they're timeless, yet they add a unique rustic charm. And when they're all lit up, it's like a little Christmas story unfolding right here in our family room. Each piece tells its own story, so I like to arrange them so they look like they're a little town celebrating Christmas. And of course, I layer on some garland to create height and depth, and the lights add that warm, cozy glow that we all love during the holidays. Plus, it's a huge hit with family and friends, as they love finding new little details in the village every time they visit. Of course, no tree would be complete without the topper, right? This year, I went with Balsam Hill's Star of Bethlehem. It's actually what inspired the entire room design. I think it's so important to include pieces that carry meaning, and this star does that beautifully. It's a subtle nod to the true meaning of Christmas and adds a lovely finishing touch. All right, let's take a quick break so we can talk about some of the things that I'll be giving away in today's video. Again, a huge thank you to Balsam Hill for sponsoring today. They've been a long time supporter of my channel, and I've been working with them as a brand ambassador over the past several years. So this is like my favorite part, sharing some of my favorites with you. Let's start with these Merry Memories ornaments. This is definitely my favorite ad this year. They just bring so much joy and warmth to the tree, and there's so many different ways that you can incorporate them. So they come in a set of 4, and I'm going to send 2 of you a set to get started in your own Christmas decorating. But wait, there's more. In addition to the ornament sets, I am also giving away 1 wooden Old Town cityscape and 2 Old Town mantle decor pieces to help you start or add to your collection. If my math is correct, that means we're up to 5 winners in today's giveaway. One thing that makes any holiday space feel extra inviting is adding cozy textures. I've layered the sofa with plush blankets and oversized pillows to create a space that's both beautiful and comfortable. Mixed in some natural tones with holiday colors to keep things looking classic and inviting without overwhelming the room. And to finish off the look, I added this super cute Luxe faux fur dog, complete with antlers and mistletoe on his head. Super cute. I couldn't resist in the store. I will tell you, it does shed a lot, so keep that in mind. Now, we need to find a name for my new fur baby. Drop a comment and let me know your favorite suggestion. I also love adding candles and warm lighting throughout the space. With the soft twinkle from the tree and the glow from the village, the whole room just feels warm and cozy. Don't be afraid to mix different lighting sources. You can use candles, string lights, village lights. They all work together very well to create that perfect Christmas ambiance. To style the oversized ottoman tray this year, I added a simple evergreen, a beautiful coffee table book, and some stylish candles. And just like that, day one is done. Thank you so much for joining me on this cozy Christmas tour brought to you by Balsam Hill. If you're participating in the giveaway, make sure you answer the question of the day down in the comments section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, love and peace.